We're over here down at Mr. Clean's Truck Universe in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. 1122 Hamilton Drive, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. We have a 2012 F-250, 18,988, 132,000 on the miles. Four-wheel drive. Runs great, drives great. I have an amazing buyer who only buys artwork. Yes. Got storage for your tools or all your utility needs. That's what my buyer says. That doesn't open. I tried it already. Give us a call at 615-895-3539.
This don't open.
I lied. It's got a pull out, which I don't. Both sides. We take trade-ins, good credit, bad credit, no credit. And that's a fact, Jack.